Hi everyone, my name is Asif Ali and today we have our first video on YouTube regarding supply chain of Atlas Honda Bike Company. This video is only for academic purpose. We are working on this project in a group and the group consisting of 5 members in the following manner. Asif Ali as a group leader, Mr. Nadeem Akhtar as a writer, Tija Shaukat as a timekeeper, Mr. Umar Hayat as a member, Mr. Arslan Khan as a member. Vision of Atlas Honda Bike Company, leader in the motorcycle industry, emerging as a globally competitive center of production and export. The mission statement of Atlas Honda Bike Company: profitable and growth oriented, attractive result to equity holder, customer satisfaction and employee retention, eco-friendly products. Following are the main products of Atlas Honda Bike Company in Pakistan. Now I would like to call Mr. Nadeem Akhtar for further proceed.
Okay guys, now we move towards the review of the procurement process of CG125. The production planning department received the requirement from the forecasting department. After that, this department run the MRP to find out the total quality of the raw material. Then this system define the bill of material. But the important thing is that it is ensured to material that the parts of the strictly aligned with the Honda quality standards, and the company outsourced the different codes from the vendors. For example, drying, dyes, tool management, inspections, and the final system warranty analysis system. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Khadija, who will elaborate after the sales services CG125.
I explain about after sale services of Honda CG125 for the customer. After sale, Honda company provide few specific sports and services such as promotional services, periodic services and maintenance, spare parts, guarantee and warranty. Promotional services: after sale Honda CG125 provides some specific sports like guarantee, warranty, repairs and spare parts. Periodic services and maintenance. Periodic services and maintenance is common and important sports by the Honda CG125. Honda CG125 offered 3 free period services for the customer. Spare parts for smoothly working, repairing and maintenance of spare part is very important. Honda provides spare parts is every market for the customer. Guarantee and warranty is the most attractive services provided by Honda CG125. Honda CG125 provided warranty for 6 months and also company provide engine warranty for 3 years.
Marayat, I'm here to present Atlas Honda CG125 company dealership. They provides dealership all over the Pakistan. Atlas Honda gives following services like warranty claims. His warranty claim is 6 months or 6,000 km. Services: Honda provide online financial services like make payment, view payment history, receive email, text payment alert. After that, safety guidance. Honda provides safety guidance like keep looking straight while driving, keep your shoulder in a normal position, bend your elbow in a natural manner.
Sourcing. External supplier has better capabilities. External supplier has greater or more appropriate capacity, freeing resources for other purposes. Reduction in operation cost, infusion of cash by selling asset to provider, reducing or subtracting risk, lack of internal resource, desire to focus more tightly on pure business economies of scale. Atlas Honda Company first tire supplier is China, where Honda CG125 bags, indicator, back and front mudguard and mud flappers are imported. The imported parts have better health and low. These parts carry low cost. Atlas Honda Company's second tire supplier is Japan. Atlas Honda Company import the Japanese engine parts for Honda CG125. They import engine parts to optimize the manufacturing cost. These engine parts are durable and having long life.
If you are new on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe the button to become the part of my YouTube family.